Hi, welcome back to the Harvey Homestead channel. Today, we're making homemade tortillas.
And they're delicious.
Here you can pause the video for the ingredients, and the next clip is the cooking directions. If you appreciate being able to find ingredients and directions easily, then I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video. Check out our other videos, maybe even subscribe. Here I am making 16 tortillas, but they're rather small. Obviously, you can make them any size you want. Lately, I have been making 10, which is about the same size as a large store-bought tortilla. Like working with any dough, you want to have a cup or so of flour on hand to keep them from sticking to the rolling surface. Also be sure to sprinkle some flour in between the tortillas as you stack them. I use cast iron, but any heavy-duty pan will work. The burners are on high-medium. This is also something you'll have to play around with depending on your stove and pans. The pan temperature here was about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You do not need to add any oil to the pan. The first two tortillas I cooked here I left in real time. They take about 1 minute per side. It's so neat to watch the air pockets expand. What you're looking for are the so-called leopard print spots. Place each finished tortilla in a container with a loose lid while cooking. After they cool down, keep them in an airtight container to keep them soft. I have frozen them after cooking, and they are still great. And they're super easy to warm up, just stick them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. I'd say they last a week or so in the fridge, but honestly they never really last long enough to know that because they're delicious and they get devoured much sooner. I think your family will love them. Have a good one!